Come on, little buddy. You can get out of that situation. You got stuck on a fisherman's net. Fisherman's line. I know you can get out of that. Come on, Samson, don't let me down. Tell me you need help. If you do need help, send me a text. Send me a notification. All you have to do is turn to the right. You can do it. Get out of that situation. Get out of that sticky situation. You're almost there. All you have to do is turn to the right. Oh, wow. Did you? You get out of that sticky situation all by yourself? Oh, Samson. Here, I'm going to clap on my neck. That's me clapping on my neck for you, Samson. You guys are true innovators. Definitely a wise selection for the future. Wise choice for the future.